Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Around here, we just got a little cold snap, a few flurries. Up north, they got a lot of snow. So a lot of people are pulling their snow blowers out and realizing that they didn't summerize them. They just stuck them in the corner and now they won't run. Well, we've got one of them right here in the shop today, so we're going to try to figure out what's wrong with it and get her running for the guy. So hang on and we'll get to busy on doing that. Alright y'all, here's what we're working on today. It's the Cub Cadet 123cc overhead valve 4-cycle electric start snow blower. I have tried to start it. I plugged the electric cord into it and she just like spins over. So we're going to get her up on the bench and we're going to see if it's got even has spark. Hopefully it does have spark, so we don't want to get into it that deep, but yeah, so I'm going to get it up on the bench and alright y'all, get in here and pop this spark plug wire off, get our spark tester, see if we can't get it down on there. Hopefully that's going to be good enough. And got the power wire here. We're going to use the electric start. No safeties that I can see of. So, alright, I don't know if you guys seen that or not. Zoom y'all in a little bit here. Alright, you guys watch it right there. And it looks like you guys are in the shadow, so there we go. Now, alright, she got the spark. So we're gonna do a little quick and dirty. We're gonna pull the bowl off, see what it looks like, and that'll tell us if we got to continue on and pull the carburetor completely off, or if we can just kind of clean it up a little bit and fire her up. So hang on. Alright y'all, I want to take our homemade fuel line pincher offers, because this does not have a fuel shutoff that I can find, and we're going to pinch that line off. And all these are some cheap needle nose vice grips with some rubber over the jaw so it doesn't chew up the rubber line too much. We're going to take a 10mm socket. We're going to crack this little drain valve on the side. That fuel don't smell real bad. I mean, it's not fresh. They said they put fresh fuel in it, but who knows, that the bowl may have had some fresh fuel or old stale fuel in it. Alright. Let that drain out, just a few little drips there that has in it. Alright. Well, the tip of that doesn't look bad. That's a good sign. Alright, I think we're done dripping. Take our pounding device here. Pop that off. Ooh, I see traces of green. She's not the cleanest, y'all. You know, just some light there. She's kind of hooked up, so yeah. Alright, well, we'll get some brake parts cleaner or carb cleaner. I like brake parts cleaner. Carb cleaner likes to swell the fuel lines or gaskets and stuff up. But we're gonna unpinch our fuel line. Oh yeah. I mean, that's not the best flow in the world, but yeah, she's smelling like better fuel now. So, all right. Yeah. So, all right. I'm gonna pull this plastic cover off here so I can look down the carburetor, and that way, when we shoot the brake parts cleaner up in there, I can make sure we're getting up through the main jet and it's all flowing all right and everything. So, I'm gonna shut the camera off, do that, and then we'll bring you all back. To get it off, it's just two 10mm socket bolts here. We'll just do it on camera, why not? Now, snowblowers do not have air filters because somebody at one point in time figured out that that real fine snow dust likes to melt because of the warm engine, and then it will freeze on the air cleaner, and then they don't run. So we gotta pull this little breather hose off of the valve cover. There we go. She falls right off. There's a little pinch clamp there. So that's real easy. So make sure there's nothing up in that little air box area, like a mouse or something built a nest. So alright. Yeah, she don't look bad. So alright, I'm gonna grab some brake parts cleaner and move you guys around so you can see what I'm doing. We'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all. Zoom you in here a little bit. There was a metal spacer with like a rubber gasket on it. I pulled it off, and I can see telltale signs of bad fuel right there. So let's see if we can do this a little quick and dirty here. Oh no, it is plugged, plugged, plugged. Yeah, she ain't taking nothing, y'all. So yeah, that main jet is really plugged. So let's I'm gonna shoot a little bit in this orifice. That's clear. That one's clear. So alright, grab my screwdriver and pull that jet out of there, that orifice out of there, and we'll see what she looks like. Alright, y'all. See if we can get this main jet taken out of here. Oh, not bad, not bad. There she comes. Alright. Ooh. shoot a little through her, and oh, there she goes. Cleaned out now, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty as a picture, baby. All right. Now we should be able to put this thing back in there. And I'm gonna guess this thing's gonna run nicely. Run away. Alright. Now when you're putting that jet back in there, that orifice, whatever you want to call it, just snug. Snug, like 3 fingers snug. Y'all don't need to think you're King Kong and, you know, twist her up real hard and tight. So, alright, I'm going to slide this one back on here, kind of like that, maybe. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to get some Scotch-Brite and clean that bowl out, and we can throw this thing back together. Alright, y'all, got that bowl all cleaned up. I'm going to stick her back up on here. Try not to drop it. Big clumsy bear paws. Get that gasket set back up in there. Get our center bolt here. There we go. Now she looks a lot better. Now again, when you're tightening this center bolt, just snug it. You don't have to hurt it. It does not need to be hurt. So let's get this drain plug here. Again, just snug. That's all it needs. Alright, now we're going to throw the air cleaner back on it. Hook everything back up. And see if she'll run. Apparently I'm not holding my tongue right. There we go. Alright. Rubber hose back on that valve cover, breather, tank crease breather. Alright, that's back on. Get the clamp back on over there. Alright, there's a couple nuts here. Guys and gals, grab your dates. Snug, snug. I probably should have checked that to make sure she's not going to leak fuel, but I have confidence. Y'all are good luck for me, so. Get that in there. Snug. Snug. Okay. Take our fuel line crimper offers there off. And using the primer here, maybe try to help force some fuel in there. Oh yeah. So, okay. Don't see no leaks. Don't see no fuel running out of it. We're going to grab the power cord and give this thing a test fire. So, hang on. Let me grab that and we'll do her. Alright, y'all. We got the power cord hooked up. We got the choke on. We're going to hit her a couple times. And let's hit her with the starter. awesome. She's a little rough, but I think she'll clean up once some of that. You know, I think there was some bad fuel in the tank when they started it out. So, yeah. This thing's missing a bunch of screws and stuff out of it. Not my worry. So, all right, cool. All right, y'all. There you have it. How to fix your snowblower if it set all summer long and won't fire up, but you got spark. Showed you how to test the spark. A little quick clean on the carburetor. She's good as new. Now I did dump a little sea foam in the fuel tank for the guy, just to kind of help, you know, keep cleaning it, and it does stabilize the fuel. So easy peasy. This guy will be ready to go when we get some snow. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. It's free, and it really does help the channel out. You know, helps that algorithm thing. If you're new to the channel, you know, hit the subscribe button along with that thumbs up. Go check out some of my playlists of fixing snow blowers and weed eaters and push mowers and riding mowers, and check out some of the garden tractor pulling videos too. And check out the cooking videos. You won't be sorry you did on that one. So, anyways, love y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by the garage, hanging out with me while we work on other people's junk and sometimes my junk. But anyways, thank y'all, and keep wrenching.